America is in crisis mode. 20 people die every day awaiting a vital organ donation. The supply is depleted. Globally, there are people suffering every day from not having available assistive aids for medical conditions. While prostheses have been around since 950 BC, we have not seen much advancement in the field since that time. Medication cost is extreme due to being manufactured in one location. With the popularization of 3D printing, there has been a boom in creative solutions for all business fields. This will continue to expand into the medical field, where we have already seen promising solutions for medical issues. There are over 110,000 people awaiting organs in the United States alone, with someone added to the waiting list every 10 minutes. There are currently external heart replacements, but they require power, are extremely expensive, and require major surgery. There are also several other risks. Dialysis is a sustainable solution for a kidney transplant, but it's time consuming and requires a very strict diet. Thousands of people suffer from pain, a feeling of restriction from not having the proper prosthetics, fatigue, and skin issues due to ill-fitting prosthetics. Due to the cost of production and materials, a lot of patients cannot afford these physical aids. If a patient can afford the prosthetic, it must be manufactured off-site. 3D printing of prosthetics will resolve all these issues. In the past 5 years, scientists have already 3D printed viable blood vessels, hearts, kidneys, and lungs. Local hospitals will be able to print custom, breathable casts in the future. Instead of taking several pills, patients will have them printed in the pharmacy. Instead of being placed on a waiting list for a vital organ, one will be printed when the patient is first admitted to the hospital. Instead of having a genetic prosthetic arm, it can be personalized to the patient's specific body measurements, functional needs, and personality. A doctor can measure the patient in the office and print the prosthetic right at that moment. If it doesn't fit properly, it can be recycled and a new one printed. Replacement teeth can be made the same day. As the technology matures, adoption will rise. Supply chain issues will change based on the new 3D printing processes. Instead of a hospital ordering plaster for casts, for example, they would only need to order filament for the 3D printer. Since the filament can be used in different scenarios, the filament will be cheaper. A doctor may be able to analyze a break virtually and send the file directly to a 3D printer at the patient's home. Since efforts are being raised to reduce waste in products and energy, 3D printing will continue to excel. The process produces very little waste and the finished product can be recycled. Since products are only produced as needed, this furthermore reduces waste. 3D material can be created from the recipient's cells as well, dramatically reducing the likelihood of rejection. Patients will have to take less medications in the future, as there will be less of a need for anti-rejection medication. Even non-invasive healthcare will benefit in the future thanks to 3D printing. Optometrists in third world countries will be able to print both frames and lenses for glasses on site. Splints can be made that will be waterproof and weatherproof. If the electronics remain intact, hearing aids can be reused as a child grows.